Let's see what the gold has done yesterday and what we can expect today, how the market will react. Yesterday the price did not move further down because we can see the price could not manage to close and also make a breakout below this area of a small support here around 3310. We can see yesterday the price had wicks on the upper side and also a wick on the lower side. When you have a wick like this, it means a decision between the buyers and the sellers, because the buyers have pushed the price up, the sellers have pushed the price down, but then eventually at the end of the day the price has come very close to the same price as has the price when the day has started. So we can see the price, open price and close price are very close to each other. This means a decision between the buyers and the sellers, which means no one has pushed the price in any of the directions so strong that the price could move and stay there during the day. Then we can see on the 4-hour time frame how the price has behaved yesterday. We can see how the day has started yesterday, where the price has gone below this area of support. We can see that, and then returning back up, going further up, rising in value, and then we can see the price has formed this bullish break at about 3325.75 resistance level. The price continued to rise in value all the way to the next area of supply zone, which is a resistance level, and then drop it down, which means here are the sellers that pushing the price down, and here are the buyers who pushing the price up. We can see that the price formed a bearish candle, stopped it here at the support level. We can see it could not manage to go further down, making a strong bearish breakout, but the price has formed this bullish engulfing candle. We can see that here. That was 4 hours ago, and we can see currently the price is trying to move higher to the higher price levels. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see yesterday how the price has behaved. The price started to rise from early morning. We can see that the price has started to rise from this area of support, going further up, reaching higher price levels very close to the daily resistance level, and then drop it down significantly here in the afternoon. And then we can see the price managed to stop here at the support level at 3317. How the price is behaving currently, we can see that the price was trying to move higher, then drop it down, and trying to move higher right now. How the market looks, it looks a little bit more bullish than it is bearish, because we can see how the price is behaving 2 days ago. Starting from here, from this area of support, the price is rising in value, going up, making these steps, then drop it down slightly, and then returning back up, making another higher high than it is right here, and then drop it down again, and now it is trying to move higher again. So as it looks right now, this looks bullish, trying to move to the higher price levels, which means reaching 3351.42. This is how this looks right now on the 1 hour time frame. But in order to see the price moving higher to this area of resistance, we need to have here, like in this example, a bullish breakout candle, which means the price going above this area of resistance, which will allow the price to reach higher price levels. Will that happen? Well, this is something that we need to watch closely one by 1 hour. We'll see how that looks. Now after that, on the 4 hour time frame, we can take a look that the price has formed this bullish breakout, this bullish engulfing candle. This bullish engulfing candle right here at the support level suggests further rise in value, which means this was a strong bullish momentum here that has been created after the bearish momentum, which means the bullish momentum is much stronger. We can see that the price was jumping up, jumping down. These wicks are visible. This is something that shows the fight between the buyers and the sellers. But the candle formation, which is a bullish candle with the bullish body, suggests further rise in value. We can see the price has continued to rise in value. So for now, as it looks, currently the price is trying to move higher, and it is trying to move to the area of resistance, which is a daily resistance. It will be very important to see how the price will behave around this area of resistance, because if the price manages to make a bullish breakout, this will allow the price to return to the higher price levels, which means first one 3386.64. Will that happen? Well, let's move step by step. First of all, we need to see the price forming a bullish breakout. Now we can see here the price has formed this bullish breakout above this area of resistance, which means the price is probably, and with higher chances, will reach this area of resistance. It's very close to it, so it's not a problem. Now on the daily time frame, we can see that the price is trying to move higher. We can see higher lows, higher highs in between these two candles, which suggests further rise in value, and this means a bullish strength that is currently active here. But this is a very important resistance level, and we can see how the price has behaved in the past when the price was trying to move higher. Whenever the price was trying to move above this area of resistance, the price has retraced back down. Then in this case, we can see that the price has retraced down. When the price was down, it had problems moving higher above this area of resistance. There were some wicks, but the daily candle could not close. So I'm expecting that this area of resistance will be very hard for the price to make a clean up breakout and easily move to the high price levels, but we will see how the price is currently behaving. One thing it is also important to mention is that this bearish breakout that has been formed here on the Friday currently is still active, which means this strong selling pressure is still pushing the price further down, not allowing the price to move higher. But we can see the bulls are much stronger and pushing the price and trying to make a bullish breakout above this area of a daily resistance. So it's very important to see how the price will behave on the lower time frame, but for now, as I can see here, the price will reach this area of resistance, and from there we will see how the price will behave. If there is a bullish or bearish breakout, I will also mention that inside the premium analysis. This is something that you can also join. The link will be below in the description, so you can also feel free to join and check what is received inside during the day. I also covered several more symbols, so you can also expect these symbols inside the premium analysis group, so you can receive the bullish or bearish breakout with entry and exit levels. Feel free to check that. And also remember, there is also some kind of a mentorship program that you can also read more details if you also join. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.